How to set app time limit on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can set app time limit on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to set up your app time limit on Android, this feature will be available on each and every Android that you use. And to use it, all you have to do is simply open the settings application here. Once you launch the settings app, if you basically scroll down, here you'll find this option known as digital well-being and parental controls, which is the option that should be available inside of each and every smartphone. Once you find this option called digital well-being and parental controls, tap on it. Now normally when you're inside of this, now the process could be a little bit different depending upon the phone and the manufacturer you use. In my case, I'm using pure Android, which is a stock Android from Google. So in this case, what I can do, you just tap on dashboard. And then I just need to select the app for which I want to set a limit. So let's say I want to set a limit for YouTube. I'll select YouTube. And then here in this case, you'll find app timer. Tap on it. I can just set a timer that I want to use, which could be 40 minutes a day. And this app timer will be basically reset at midnight. So I can just tap the OK button. And you can see app timer set for 40 minutes, which means I can only use the YouTube app from now until 24 hours for 40 minutes. And this way I can go ahead and basically set app limit on Android. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.